Hi everyone, I'm Aarushi. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how to do a deep brooding metallic makeup look using minimal products and keeping it minimal with the number of steps. So let's begin. To keep the base luminous, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Matte Real Skin Natural Mousse. I'm in the shade Beige Honey. It's a feather-like lightweight mousse formula that blends into the skin extremely easily and gives an amazing luminous effect. Using a kabuki brush, I will be blending it all over my skin. For the eyes, I'm going to start off by using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal as the base on my eyelids. Very roughly, I'm going to lay it all over my lids quite generously. And very gently, I'm going to blend it with the blending brush. Now it's time to add a metallic twist to the smoky eye. I'm taking the metallic blue shade from the Loreal Color Riche Gold La palette. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to pat this blue pigment on the eyelid. I'm going to add this all the way till my crease line, and I'm going to double up the intensity by patting some more pigment on top of it. Now since I want a really nice smoky look, so I'm putting the kajal on the lower lash line and softening it with a tapered brush. I'm going to add the same metallic blue shade on the lower lash line as well, just to intensify the entire smoky effect. Now since it's a cocktail party makeup look, I'm amping the entire look by wearing a pair of false eyelashes. While I'm not going to contour my face and wear a blush, I'm just going to keep it simple and use the Colorbar's Shimmer Bar Pro in the shade Nectar Glow. This highlighter powder has multi-faceted shades with a very smooth finish. It's long-lasting, beautiful, and it gives a youthful glow. I'm highlighting the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the brow bone, forehead, and not to forget the upper lip. These are all the spots on the face where the light catches the first. Since it's a complete metallic smoky look, I'm going to use a metallic lip shade as well. I'm using the Colorbar Deep Matte Lip Crème in the shade Deep Earth. It's a beautiful matte brown shade. So that's it with this metallic smoky makeup look. I created this metallic makeup look using just 5 products. I got myself all these products from the makeup lounge at Paytmall. It can be your perfect companion when it comes to finding beauty and personal care products, matching your particular skin type or style. You name it, they have it. You can choose from the exhaustive collection that they have, where each product includes all the information about the product. All the product links and the details that I used in this tutorial will be in the information box below. Like, share and subscribe, and let me know your favorite metallic beauty products in the comments section. I will see you super soon. Bye.